Good morning to everybody. Today I am going to discuss the issue of back pain. So many my students or the patient or the friend from the messenger or Facebook are asking me for the back pain treatment, or please sir guide us the treatment for the back pain. Today I am for that student or those who are following me. I want to discuss the reason why there is a back pain, whether he may be a male or she may be a female. There are so many reasons for the back pain. Few of them I will discuss with you in my later video. I will discuss in detail treatment for the each reason, whether it may be a L4, L5, S1, whether it may be a female uterus related problem or a period related problem. Everything I will discuss in the detail in my coming videos. Here I will discuss only the reasons of the back pain, so that any student or patient ask me the reason for the treatment protocol for the back pain. He should listen this video and diagnose his issue correctly. Where is the problem? If he can check and tell me the correct location of the point, it will be very helpful for me to give a treatment or a protocol which may immediately give you the results. I will discuss first the male reasons of back pain. First, there may be a compression in the lumbar area or the back area. For second, 4, 5, L1, L4, L5, S1, there may be nerve compression. But in my own experience, I have seen that this area, lumbar area, L4, L5 and S1, nerve compression is very rare, very rare. Most of the cases of back pain comes to me. When I check their MRI reports, it says ki L4, L5, S1 nerve compression. But when I physically check to the patient, according to my Agarwal energy concept and color therapy and various Sujog method and TCM method, I found there is no compression in the nerves at all. Lumbar area is completely free, but there are so many other reasons which may be causing the problem. Nerve compression. Then third is the sciatica pain. Patient may be having a sciatica pain starting of the sciatica pain, not mature state of the sciatica pain. It is a starting of the sciatica pain. Sciatica pain start from the center of the hip, center of the butt, where the GB30 point lies. It may be from that point, it may be starting from the GB30, or it may be starting from the lower back lumbar pain, lumbar area. Second, fourth is the weak nerves. Your nervous system may be weak. The nerves are becoming the weak, so that you are feeling a back pain always. Next, there may be the muscles weakness. Your muscles are weak, that is not supporting to the bony structure. If there is no support to the bony structure by the muscles, you may be having the back pain. In the male case, there may be prostate enlargement. If there is a prostate enlargement in the prostate enlargement in the male, then he may be having the problem in the urination. If that urination or urine infection may create problem in the lumbar area, abdominal area, which may lead to the back pain also. Next is the urine related issue. There may be urine infection. If such cases are there, then you may be having the back pain. most important thing is the now which I am seeing most of the patient, about 20% or 15% patient are having the gastric issue. The gastric is such a issue, such a problem which goes in a cavity or the area which gas find most suitable. It goes into the joints and stick to the joints, causing the pain over there. This is the These are the few reasons for the back pain which I have noticed, which I have discussed for the information of the patients, my students and other people, those who are suffering from the back pain. Now you come to the now I will discuss the problem of the back pain of the female also. Female means there is a various reason for the females. Many patients come to me for the back pain. Once I check their systems of the body, then I found it is not a back pain. It is a reason of the some other problem is back pain, but reason lies somewhere else. Reason lies in somewhere else, especially in the case of females, not in the male. Male too, I have discussed the various reason for the male back pain. Now I am discussing the reason for the females. Number one, she may be having a problem in the menstrual cycle. Number one. Number two, there may be a ovarian cyst in the female. Ovarian cyst. If there is a ovarian cyst or anything related to the ovaries, she may be having the back pain, abdominal pain, lower belly. There may be so many areas. There may be pain in the groin region also. These are the very important things which before asking the treatment for the back pain, you must also see all these parameters. Fibroid, it is one of the critical reason for the back pain also in the females. If she is having a fibroid in the uterus, then she may be having the back pain, lower abdomen, leg pain and so many other problems. These are the basic reasons for the back pain which I have discussed. It is my humble request to the students or patients or whatsoever may be, when you are discussing with me about the back pain or you are asking me the protocol for the back pain, please study this video, please carefully read this listen this video carefully, and then you decide yourself ki where is the my problem. If you ask that particular area, if you ask me, then I may be able to give you the protocol which will be suitable for you, and it will relieve your problem immediately.